CETL stands for Collaborate, Exchange, Think, and Learn, and is pronounced kettle. The theme revolves around social gatherings with friends and good conversation. What better way to express this than through tea time? Put the kettle on is a British saying that goes without saying. Company's coming. Catching up with friends? Put the kettle on. Ready to learn something new? Put the kettle on. Following this theme is tea. The tea is slang for gossip, situation, story, or news. You can give tea, get tea, or spill the tea. Welcome to the Kettle community, an exploration of social good fostering collaboration, environment, and lives through humanistic exchanges. Social connections between multi-generational and multicultural circles tend to not be a natural occurrence in many societies in the world today. What we've gained in technology, bigger houses, and box stores, we've lost in human connection. By creating more physical space, we've also created distance between essential human contact. Important life lessons, cultural traditions, advice from a wiser era, and an understanding and respect for others can get lost. Stereotypes are prevalent, which creates a lack of connection between people. So I ask this question: how can we foster basic life lessons and humanistic exchanges through a multi-generational and cultural collaboration? Preserving and documenting lessons, stories, and skills are a way of sharing, communicating, and educating different circles about each other. This can discourage barriers, enable understanding, and encourage bonding. The transmission of traditions and values from multiple generations and cultures help build a sense of personal and societal identity while encouraging tolerance. This will be an uplifting resource to generate well-being, diversity, sense of purpose, independence, inclusivity, mental health, and empowerment from all parties involved. This project is an effort in preserving and documenting multi-generational and cultural traditions, lessons, and tidbits of knowledge that are fading, to develop mutual understanding in relationships, and to facilitate an environment where different generations and cultures can interact, learn, and collaborate with each other. The goal is to develop, share, and foster connections between generations and cultures presented through an interactive online community platform. Design processes include human-centered design, service design, branding, experience, and ethnography, followed by a social marketing strategy with hopes to grow through word of mouth. Want more info? Have skills to share? Interested in learning from different perspectives, generations, and cultures? I'd love to hear from you.